a simple traffic stop on the highway, until the officer opens the trunk. What they found inside was worth over $2 million.
Good, man. Look, I'm Austin Douglas State Police. We didn't stop you. You're right up behind that 18 wheeler, man. You were less than 2 car lengths from us, okay? You don't make sure there is somebody doing that, okay?
I was trying to get
Hey, come off the road.
Okay, let's go.
I got you. You got ID?
No, I don't have it on me. He's the one that used that license plate. He's very sick right now, but he's trying with it. He's just not feeling good. He can't focus. Okay. I don't have license, so we just don't have any kind of identification.
The driver already looks nervous. His story doesn't make any sense.
Yeah, I do. Let's keep talking.
Come on, let's go get it. Headache.
We're back to Nashville.
Okay, where from?
North Carolina.
You coming from North Carolina?
Yes, sir.
North Carolina's that way, buddy.
We took the other way.
Huh?
We went through Louisiana.
To go to Nashville from North Carolina. It don't make no sense. North Carolina's on the East Coast, buddy.
It doesn't make sense. It's the same way.
Huh?
It's the same way.
You realize Louisiana's down here.
Yeah.
Nashville, Tennessee's right here. And North Carolina's over here.
He claims he's coming from North Carolina, going to Nashville, while he's standing in Louisiana.
GPS took me this way, so you can check the GPS.
No joke. What was he doing in North Carolina?
Huh?
What was he doing in North Carolina?
Did I say North Carolina?
Yeah, what?
Oh, my fault.
What you trying to tell me?
My fault. I'm in Texas. My fault.
Holy moly, buddy. I'm like, holy shit.
That's on me. That's on me. That's on me.
What part of Texas?
Houston.
Okay. How long you been down there?
Just for 2 days.
Okay. You and your buddy?
Yeah.
Is this your car?
Yeah, that's my mom. She rented it for us.
I got you. What y'all do down in Houston?
Just party.
I got you. All right. Let me go holler at him. Give me just a minute. Make
Yes,
sure
sir.
you're not coming from North Carolina.
Yes,
Hang
sir.
out right there.
I'm
You
sorry.
good? You good? Hang out back there. Hey, any weapons in here I need to know about? Any guns or anything? Okay. How are you, buddy? What's going on, man? You all right?
Yeah, I'm just tired, man.
Tired? Party?
All night, man.
I got you. Where y'all headed, buddy?
Nashville.
Huh?
We headed to Nashville.
I got you. Where y'all coming from? How long y'all down there? Party down there? Okay. The rental agreement in here? Y'all both from Nashville? Where'd y'all stay when you were down there?
You say Pearland?
Huh?
Pearland?
Okay. With who? Somebody you knew or what?
Yeah, I got family down there.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Okay. I got you. Give me just a second, okay? Where'd y'all stay at down there?
At friend's house.
Okay. All right. Where at? In Houston or what?
Yeah, just at Houston on the border side.
I got you. Okay, give me just a second. Tell me something. Looking on here. The car was rented yesterday.
Yeah.
How was it rented yesterday and you were in Houston for a couple of days?
This will be my second day. We just left today.
Huh?
We just left today. This will be my second. We left today. From Houston. I went up there the night before.
So it
With
was
the
picked
party.
up in Tennessee or it was picked up in Houston?
It was picked up in Tennessee. We went that night, partied.
That'd be last night.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Where'd y'all party at on a Tuesday night?
At my friend's house.
Okay, I got you. How old are you, buddy?
I'm 20.
Okay, I got you. All right, look. Come here, do me a favor. All right, look, read through this for me, okay? What I'm asking is consent to search your vehicle, okay? But I want you to read through this to the fullest, all the way through. From this line, all the way down to here, okay? We'll talk about the end of it whenever you get down there, okay? Read that.
Okay, we do need to search the vehicle.
I do not, no sir. I do not.
All right, so do you have to search the vehicle?
I don't have to, no sir. That's why I'm asking you to read this so I can get your consent. I'll tell you about it. Just read it and we'll talk about it after. Alright. You understand what I'm asking?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You allow me to search it. If you consent and say, yes, you can search my vehicle, you sign right there. If you do not, you tell me no. Okay.
No, I know. There ain't no point of that because you didn't put me over.
Okay. So no?
No.
Okay, that's fine, man. All right, sir. That's why I get you to read it and get your consent. Now let me explain to you this. My buddy here, I got out with his dog coming, okay? It's a canine hound. Dog, it's just narcotics, okay? Talk with this man. Hop out for me, bud. My partner there has been running dog around the car, okay? You have any guns or anything on you? Any guns in the car? Hold on 1 second. Come here. Spin around. All right, go hang out right there on my car.
Take it out?
Yeah, go ahead. All right, let me tell you what just happened. I just asked him for consent to search the vehicle, allowed him to read a consent to search form. Okay, it fully explains who's searching the vehicle.
Yeah.
He refused to sign it, which means he does not want me to search the vehicle.
Right.
What I explained to him, my buddy that actually got out with me on the stop is our K9 member, okay? He's going to run his narcotics dog around the car.
That's fine.
If he alerts to the vehicle, I probably call search the vehicle. He does not, you'll get on up the road back to Nashville, wherever it is, next you going, okay? Or from North Carolina, whatever it is.
Hey, you never even left Nashville.
Hey, look, I asked him, I said, hey, where are you coming from? He said, North Carolina. I said, where are you going? He said, Nashville. I said, you realize where you're at?
No,
He said, well, I'm telling you, this is where my GPS brought me. Look, he had me going, man. I said, where are you going? He said, well, we going back to Nashville. I said, okay, where from? He said, well, North Carolina.
you got to be.
I said, huh? I said, you realize Louisiana's right here, Nashville's right here, and North Carolina's right here. I said, you done screwed something up.
I used to live in Louisiana.
Where at?
That's it. Like 13 years.
Really? What'd you do down there?
Yeah, I lived there, man. I grew up there.
You grew up there? You lived there?
Yeah.
What made you move to Nashville?
Well, see, I just, my family had family problems. My mom moved around, so I moved to Houston. I moved to Pearland for like 2 years. Now I'm in Nashville, met this little fuck.
What are you?
19.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
You 20. Okay.
So she just alerted on your vehicle. So she alerted on the driver's side door.
The K9 dog alerts on the car. Now things are about to get serious. The driver refuses to give consent to search, but the dog already did its job.
Got some gloves?
Officers start searching the vehicle anyway.
The one in the white t-shirt's been eating on that phone, son.
I smell these.
Just get that out of the way first.
They open the trunk, and everything changes. Pound after pound of cocaine. Over 25 pounds with a street value of nearly $2.3 million.
Look him with your. Where's that?
Both men are arrested on the spot. One of them even tells the officer to go ahead and cuff him.
Remain silent. Anything you say can and will be executed for the law.
Yeah.
I'd like to talk to a lawyer.
Hey, let me call. Get that. Report that. Let me call Chris. Get it.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, bro. 10. Hey, were they just stacked in a book bag, Josh?
Officer taking pics of cocaine packets.
Yes, sir, we'll do. What'd he say?
He said, let me.
A routine traffic stop that turned into one of the biggest drug busts you'll see on Bodycam.